Good morning, students. Lesson number 10, the expansion of the Maratha power. At the beginning of the Maratha War of Independence, the Mughals were attacking the Marathas while the Marathas were defeating them. However, by the end of the war, the Marathas overpowered the Mughals and practically covered the whole of India. In this lesson, you will learn about the expansion of the Maratha rule in India in the later half of the 18th century. The death of the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb resulted into a war of succession between his three sons to the throne of Delhi. Aurangzeb's eldest son, Prince Azam Shah, declared himself the Mughal emperor and seized the throne. He released the Maratha prince Shahu Maharaj, who was held captive by the Mughals. Prince Azam Shah believed that if Prince Shahu was released, there would arise a war between Maharani Tarabai, the queen of Shivaji's son Rajaram, and Prince Shahu for the gaddi of Maratha Chhatrapati. By doing this, he believed it will make the Marathas weak and easy to capture their kingdom gradually. After his release, Shahu Maharaj immediately marched towards Maharashtra, accompanied by some Maratha soldiers, to seize the throne. However, Maharani Tarabai did not accept his claim. Shahu Maharaj fought and won the battle at Khed on the banks of the river Bhima. He succeeded the Maratha throne with the help of Balaji Vishwanath. He made Satara the capital of the Maratha kingdom. Tarabai's opposition to Shahu Maharaj continued after his coronation. She proclaimed her minor son Shivaji too as the Chhatrapati of Panhala in 1710 AD. This led to the rise of another independent Maratha kingdom at Kolhapur. Balaji Vishwanath Bhatt was one of the most prominent supporters of Shahu Maharaj. He was a shrewd, powerful and capable diplomat who hailed from Srivardhan in Konkan. He convinced many Maratha Sardars to support Shahu Maharaj's cause as the true heir. Heir means a person legally entitled to the property to the Maratha throne. He also won over Maharani Tarabai's men ally and chief of the Maratha navy Kanhoji Engre. Kanhoji attacked the territory of Shahu Maharaj. At the time, Shahu Maharaj was very young. In this situation, Shahu Maharaj made Balaji Vishwanath his Peshwa or chief minister. Balaji Vishwanath pursued Kanhoji and tactfully won him over to the side of Shahu Maharaj, thus avoiding a battle. For his support, Kanhoji was promised military help and also made the chief of the Maratha navy.